welcome to this week's 5-minute rhythm and rhyme. Today we'll be using a mixture of body sounds and signs for a song called When the Cold Wind Blows. Let's start with the signs. The first one is cold. Make your hands into little fists, and then with your arms next to you, you're going to go shivering, cold, and again, cold. Perfect. Cold. Our second one is wind. Put your hand up towards your cheek and then gently flow it back and forth. Wind. Wind. Wonderful. Next up, we have the sign for fireplace. Imagine you're warming your hands up near a fire and then you're going to rub them together. Fireplace. Fireplace. One more time. Fireplace. The next one is close. And with your fingers pointing upwards, you're simply going to bring them close together. Close. Close. Lovely. Close. Okay, now we have the sign for alive. Using your middle finger, you're going to rub your chest near your shoulder, making sure you do it on the same side. Alive. If you go across your body, it's the sign for toilet, and we don't want that for this song. On this side. Alive. Alive. Fantastic. Okay, last one is come. Nice easy one. Use your finger and bring it closer to you. Come. 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 We're going to use this one when it says you're straight back to in the song. Come. We're going to do something a little bit different with the body sounds this time. As this song is all about being chilly, we're going to put our hands into a round shape and then blow 1, 2, 3, as if we're trying to warm them up. Just like this. Can you hear how many sounds that is? Listen carefully. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it together. Okay, I'm going to put some music on and see if you can listen and follow me. Here we go.
Short days, long nights, will the snow fall, will the frost bite, when the cold wind blows, leaves drop, bare trees wrap up for the big freeze, when the cold wind blows. So get the fireplace burning, stay close and stop those teeth from shattering. Your fingertips start to come alive. You're straight back to the cold, when the wind blows. Hedgehogs, dormouse, hibernate and keep the chill out when the cold wind blows. Birds fly to winter sun, they'll come back again when the spring comes, when the cold wind slows. So get the fireplace burning, stay close and stop those teeth from shattering. And once your fingertips start to come alive, you're straight back to the cold.
Super job, everyone. There's some activities on the next screen for you to have a go at, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Short days, long nights, will the snow fall, will the frost bite, when the cold wind blows? Leaves drop, their trees wrap up for the big freeze, when the cold